Today's episode is 2 reacts to Black Snore gets replaced with number block 34 Snore, and this video has been requested by Tony Wangwall. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 2. I'm going to react to Black Snore gets replaced with number block 34 Snore. Thank God I'm reacting to a character having a good number block replacement. The rest of them have stupider replacements. Only 90% of the characters that Smaria likes are going to give them worse replacements like 52, 79, 63, 92, and 54. The worst of all are 63 and 52. But anyways, enjoy it. Oh my lord, this is so lovely.
Yes, I'm at endless numbers 47.
The video ended. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 281.